So today I'm going to show you how we can make decorators in TypeScript. You may have seen it being used in Nest.js framework, where we can define controllers as controller, and when you use class validator we can validate some parameters like age string, something like that. So I'm going to show you how you can make this on your own. So decorators are something that can only be used within the class or with the class. It can't be used with standalone functions or anything. Let's say I have a class called math operations, math op, okay, and I'm going to define two functions here, simple functions, sum function, which I'm going to return as a plus b. Then I'm going to make another function and I'm going to pass two numbers and I will do a minus b. Very simple step. And I'm going to make a new class from it, math op. Then I'm going to log it, math.sum 199. Then let's also log the difference function like math diff 91. Let's see if it works. Sorry, 9 comma 1, and it works. Let's clear the output. So you can see that our sum is this and our difference is this. So what if I want to log which function I'm using, like I'm using sum with what arguments, then I want to know when it finished running, things like that. And if I do it here, then I might also want to do it here. So for that I'm going to use decorators, because all my logic will be in same function, same thing, and I can reuse it across multiple properties like this, sum and diff. So let me create decorator and I'm going to name it log method, maybe log method, and it's going to receive three parameters like target. Target is the type of class that's being passed, so it will be math op for this. And property key. Property key means the name of the functions we are using. So it will be sum or diff, and that is descriptor, and its type is property descriptor. So descriptor will have our main function and its value. So I'm going to extract our descriptor dot value, assign our descriptor value to a new variable, because we're going to change the descriptor value. Descriptor dot value means this whole function definition. So I'm going to change it now. Descriptor dot value equal to, I'm going to make a new function, nameless function inside it, and the arguments will come as an array, like it will be a comma b, like that. Then I'm going to log what is happening, like console.log, or I might even use debug, and I will say like function name is used. Property key will have this key name, which is sum. Property key is executing with arguments x, and I'm going to also call our method, apply this means the class it's in, and I'm going to pass the arguments, and I'm going to also console and debug this result. Property key with x $x, result is dollar, and I'm going to the result, I'll have to return it, and I'm going to return the descriptor. So what happens is, under the hood, if I use log method here, what's going to happen is this function will get replaced with this one. So all of this will be like this. But the thing is, everything looks clean because I don't have to change anything in the sum function, and I will get the get this logging as well, which I wanted. When you run it, you'll see like sum is executing with arguments 1 and 9, then this will run. Sum with arguments 1 and 9 is 10, then when I return, I'm also logging it here, so it will show 10. Similarly, we can also use it here in the difference function, and if I execute it, then you can see sum. This is the logging for the sum function call, and this is the logging for the difference function call. So that's how we can define decorators in TypeScript. And also you have to keep in mind that you have to set the target to ES5 or above, I think, ES5. Then you have to turn on this experimental feature, this experimental decorators in your TS config if you are using TS config. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.